Hello everyone, this is Shweta from mandala painting. Welcome to my new video tutorial. So today I'm going to introduce you all with the dotting tools which I use to make these dot mandala art. Actually, the purpose of making this video tutorial is to introduce you all with the tools which I use to make this mandala art, that it will become easy you all to learn this art form from my video tutorials. So first of all, I'm going to show you the tissue paper. Actually, this is basic need of this art. We have to wipe the dotting tools each and every time we put the color and we make the dot. So the first of all, these are the crochet hooks, which are 12 in number, having 12 different sizes from 3 mm to 10 mm. These are my favorite dotting tool which I maximum use in my video tutorial. This makes a very beautiful round dot, and these are really very cheap product to use for your dotting. So I recommend you all to buy this, as these are not expensive. You can buy easily, and I have given this link in my video description box. Here I'm showing you the different sizes of dots which these crochet hooks make. Look, I'm dotting one by one from different sizes, and the very beautiful dots it make. So I'm showing here the different sizes of these crochet hooks. See how beautiful dots these crochet hook make. These are very cheap, and one of the cheap product you can use for your dot mandala art. Now moving to the next dotting tools which I have bought recently. These are acrylic rods. These are I think 6 to 7 or 8 acrylic dots which came in a pack for I think 400 to 500 rupees. These are also very good for making dots. I have bought these for, actually I want a bigger dots, bigger size dot, which is not available in this crochet hook. So I have bought these for making that dot. I'm showing here one by one how bigger dot it will make. Now let's move to the next dotting tool. These are pinpointing dotting tools. Actually, these are nail stylus used to make nail art or used to design your nails. So I have also marked them according to their sizes from 1 to 10. Actually, each end has a different size. So I have marked them from 1, 2, 3 up to 10. So it will be easy to demonstrate them in the video. So you can also mark your dotting tools like this from 1 to 10 according to the size of the dot. I'm going to show you different dots which they made. So see. These both are same. Actually, I have bowed this in a metal form so that they will not uh, become dirty as wooden tools generally become dirty while using. Now next, these are another tools which I have bought online from Amazon. This one here and have a silicone uh, tools and one and have a metal tool. So I'm going to show you what kind of dots they make. Actually, I have bought them to make dots in a somewhat different designs. So look, it's a bit difficult to make dots from these tools, but if we properly learn how to make dots, and they are very beautiful. They make oval shaped dots or a petal like dots. These are also very nice for making some different design other than a round circular dot. You can make a petals of a flower or any other. Now, next I have bought these nail art fine brushes for making a fine lines in my mandala art. I will show you this in my next video tutorial, how to outline the design with these beautiful pinpointed nail art dotting tools. And yes, these are also very nice for making a pinpointed dots which we can't make even with a toothpick. So I have bought these, and these are very nice for making a pinpointed dot. And generally I have bought these for making outline fine lines from these. So now these are also a nail art brushes which I have bought for also for dotting. This From this I will show you in my next video tutorial how I will use these for making dots. You can, it's your choice, you can buy these or not, but I have bought this for try my hands on brushes for making dots. Now next, these are the flat brushes of different sizes, 7 drip brushes which I have bought online. These are of Faber-Castell brand. I have bought them for uh, uh, I have bought them for paint my base with the black color. And this is a white marking charcoal pencil which we generally use to make the guidelines for this mandala art. This is very important. And this rubber which is used to erase the charcoal pencil marks after we complete with our dot painting. Next is a compass. This is also very important for making the guidelines for this mandala art. Next is a scale. This is also very important product for making this mandala art. This is all about the all the basic necessities of this mandala art. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to my channel.